it's Morgan with the Wapiti Regional Library, and welcome to our Science Center. Today, we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. So if you don't know what that is, then keep watching. You will need a plastic bottle, a container to catch the mess, some dish soap, some hydrogen peroxide, dry yeast, water, and food coloring. Add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your bottle. Add a big squirt of dish soap and then swirl gently. Next, add your food coloring. In a separate cup, mix together 1 tablespoon of yeast and 3 tablespoons of warm water. Pour the yeast mixture into the bottle and watch what happens. The yeast acts as a catalyst. A catalyst is something that speeds up a reaction. In this case, the yeast is speeding up the process of the hydrogen peroxide breaking apart into oxygen and water. Once it's separated, the oxygen gets trapped in the dish soap and is what creates the foamy solution. You may also notice that when you touch the outside of the bottle, it's warm. That's because this reaction also generates heat. This is known as an exothermic reaction. As you may have noticed, it's not actually toothpaste for elephants, but it sure does look like it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you tune in next week for another experiment.